Hi, I am presenting some pictures of my CompTIA download. The first page is the CompTIA hands-on simulator, and it gives you information about what's all involved in that program. And then the next page, it gives you informations about the um, first lab, um, which I'm not going to start yet. um, so the instructions for this were just to show that it's been installed and we're able to open the application. So the chapters, this shows a picture of the chapters um, that are um, that are in the CompTIA network, and I'm looking forward to doing this. And I'm looking forward to this class.